Such a walk to remember, the footsteps into Jannah, saved from being enslaved by a man in Jahannam. Allah kulli shay'in qadir. Even under the weight of those pebbles, he was certain God could hear, was certain that he intervened, as he screamed, Ahad. Enemies of Allah know what I mean. Allah is one, and from that one we all begun, chose an Abyssinian slave to call Muslims to pray. The polytheists beat him and tortured him for a time, but never did he flee from the faith, safe in Islam, dragged by the noose on his neck through Meccan streets. Stones pressed onto his chest in the desert heat, and all of that allotted to Lot and others' defeat as Bilal uttered a head and freed by Abu Bakr Siddiq, defended by the Rasul. If you dare use the color of his skin to be rude, what state is your faith in? And love you all the same. From revenge of that matter he refrained, and only to Allah and his messenger he complained, in hopes for a reward from his Lord. After each wudu with that tahor, he prayed as much as Allah would want him to. Muhajirun, mujahidun, mu'minun, insha'Allah, calling the azan on the roof of Masjid al-Haram, collecting sadaqah with the Prophet. Slayer of Umayyah bin Khalaf for fighting in the cause of Allah was the topic. From my brother Bilal, I learned no worries at all. In success, alhamdulillah, and if not, then Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Black star before Mos Def and Kwali, a chief manumitted by Abu Bakr Siddiq. Muadhin in the night, so you continue to eat during Ramadan Sahur, but observe the words he speaks. Dedicated to Allah, may his sins be forgiven, since his liberation and enslavement to Allah was his mission. After the death of the Prophet, his desire was jihad, life, death, sacrifice, all fi sabilillah, insha'Allah, laid in a grave in Damascus. May Allah make it spacious and bless Bilal the Mu'adh.